Hello and welcome back to another video called The Kitten Show. Yeah, it's like episode 2 of like The Kitten Show. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to do some dares today. So we're going to read some of the dares off our computer and check them. Okay, someone dared us to switch clothes. What if we don't wear any? Next comment. Someone dared me to act like a girl and you to act like a boy for the rest of the video. No. No. Your boy voice is so funny. No. My boy voice is amazing. I like speaking like a girl. I hate speaking like a boy. No. No. They passed out again. Well, for a little kitten, making YouTube videos is hard work.